Yeah, what's up, what's up, what's up? Yo, just messing around this, you know what I mean? Now back to some serious business, you know what I mean? Back to some serious business, no joke right now. But guys, guess what? Welcome to the channel. If you guys, it's the first time on the channel, just want to welcome you guys to the channel. You know what I mean? If it's your second time, you guys are welcome again. And make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you click the notification sign. You know what I mean? Like, share, and comment. You know what I mean? But guess what? Today, guys, I want to talk to you guys about SoundCloud. And I mean, and today I got a message in my inbox, and it's saying that SoundCloud has now partnered with Twitch, and they have also add this Patreon button where you persons can sign up to become a Patreon of yours, and they could support your career. So persons can donate by PayPal, or they could use GoFundMe. I mean, GoFundMe. Yeah, they could use the GoFundMe, the PayPal, or Vimo. Vimo. I don't remember if that's the way it says. If that's the way it's pronounced anyway. But yes, let's get to the message right here. So right here, I'm on the message page, and what it said is, and this is from SoundCloud CEO, right? It said, "Dear SoundCloud creators, our team is humbled every day by the creativity and trust you share with SoundCloud, and we hope you and your loved ones are safe and healthy. We are facing an unprecedented situation. For those of you earning your living through music and facing canceled show or other lost income, the impact of coronavirus, COVID-19 is especially hard eating. It's really hard eating, for real. I can feel it from here. You know what I mean? A lot of persons, they've been complaining about the streaming going down and everything. A lot of persons, they don't know where they're gonna get their next budget from to do a lot of stuff, because most of the persons who are in music, they have a big budget. Most of them like take an advance from certain companies, and they have outstanding bills that they are supposed to deal with and all that stuff. So it's crazy for them. All right, so right here they're telling you that they actually signed up. They actually have a partnership now with Twitch. So it's called SoundCloud plus Twitch live streaming partnership. And with this partnership is that persons can actually sign up through SoundCloud here using the link that they provide on their blog. Let's get into the information that they shared here. They said we are partner with Twitch to fast track SoundCloud Pro, SoundCloud Premier, and Repost by SoundCloud creators directly to Twitch affiliate status, so you can start earning money from your Twitch stream instantly. Now whenever you're social distancing. Okay, so whenever you're social distancing, now you're not able to go out there and perform and so forth, no live shows and all that stuff, you can connect instantly via live stream to millions of fans to get paid for your work. Yes, they are serious, for real. This is amazing. How many times, like, I see a lot of persons, it's not just only for persons who really need the money to do stuff, but think about it. They have a platform where now they're doing it, like the Patreon thing is going on big lately. You know what I mean? You're on Twitch, you're on YouTube. Persons can always donate to you. Some persons been doing it for a while now, where they will put up their SoundCloud button, and they would say buy me a coffee or stuff like that. Well, in this instance, SoundCloud is bringing it to another level. You get what I mean? So let's go over to our next paper, a next post that they put over here. So I want to show you guys this. All right, so it says SoundCloud is preparing with Twitch so you can connect with new fans and get paid. Now let's look into this. Let me show you what I was talking about. Not right here. Yeah. So starting, so they give you all the information of how you can start and all of that stuff, how you can connect and everything. So all the information is there. It's and this is a setup. They have the setup right here where they're saying all SoundCloud Pro, SoundCloud Premier, and Repost by SoundCloud artists can sign up for an account at Twitch TV. Alright, we suggest using your SoundCloud handle so your brand is consistent across channels, because when you use your SoundCloud, it will just go synchronize with the Twitch, and you won't have to go through a whole lot of information to write back all that information, your name and all of that stuff, because all the information that they have over by SoundCloud will go over by Twitch for you guys, so you don't have to go through all of that hassle, right? And they give you all the step-by-step of how you can get into it and what you're supposed to do and everything. And remember, I was telling you about the tips of how they're saying that they're gonna be you're able now to gain from your fans. What they say right here is they said get financial support from your day ones by optimizing your presence on SoundCloud. There you go. I have to say no more. I didn't even know they're using Cash App as well. So you could use a GoFundMe, you could use your PayPal, you could use Cash App or Venmo. What I'll be doing though is I'll be copying the links, the URL for all the information here. I'll be copying the URL so you guys can actually just click on the link in below in the description of this video, and you guys will be able to access all the information that you see I'm accessing right now. All right. So let me show you what it's gonna look like. So this is the one that they have up on their profile, and right here what I'm seeing right here, it says support Eric, and basically it's just saying support. The name of the person who actually has a profile is saying support, and you see that little money sign right there where you guys can support the person. All right, so all you got to do is just like click here, and then you will pay like via PayPal or whatsoever option that they actually had to receive payment by. All right, and let's go down here and see, they show same thing I was saying to you guys again. They mention, they give you everything step-by-step procedure of how you guys are supposed to sign up or in-depth all of that information into YouTube, so you guys can get paid and all of that stuff. They give you the step-to-step procedures. All you got to do is just click here, as you see, click here, which is highlighted. Once you click there, it will take you to the page, and you will follow all the procedures and then get into the program of being able to collect all of those stuff that they have for you guys, which is pretty great. I mean, I've been gaining from SoundCloud for a while now, and I've never had the opportunity of having persons, deciding directly that they want to support what I'm doing, so they would like to donate a $1, $2, $3 or something. But now you actually have the chance of doing so. Persons were doing that before, yeah. Persons were putting their PayPal button and they were saying like, buy me a coffee or stuff like that. But this is a total game changer for everything, you know what I mean? And you're able to share all of share the profile and all of that stuff and get it. And with Twitch is a big platform, streaming platform that persons use to stream. They used to stream like for gaming and all that stuff. It's now lately that persons are now using it for music and playing music and streaming and all of that, streaming music and all of that stuff. So now they're saying that, think about it. Think about like connecting your SoundCloud to your Twitch account while you're gaming and all that stuff. You're gaining both ways. You get what I mean? You're gaining from so many different angles. So this is like a big game changer. I just hope you guys can go over there and take advantage of it. One more thing I must show you guys, they got a 50% off SoundCloud Pro Unlimited subscription, and this 50% off is a game changer, because guess what? Before they were offering you guys the Pro Unlimited at $144 for the entire year. Now in this subscription, they're actually giving you 50% off, and that 50% off is actually about you're gonna be paying $70 for the entire year, or $6 per month instead of $12 per month. So you guys should definitely go and take advantage of it from now, because if think about it, even if you are thinking to become a SoundCloud Unlimited subscriber and you didn't before because you weren't able to pay the $144 for the year because you think it's too much, now it's the right time for you to go and just grab it, because it's just $70. Just $70. And they have also one more thing I didn't mention to you guys as well. They are partnered with Repost as well. So once you join and you pay for that subscription, you're actually connected to Repost as well. So what you could do from there is you could distribute your songs. So you're getting paid two sides. You're getting paid from the distribution from the Repost side, and you're actually getting paid from your monetization from the tracks that are on SoundCloud, and you're also getting paid for the streams from the Twitch. What else can you ask for? It's all there, you know what I mean? Everything in one place. Everything in one place. And oh yes, and at the same time, you're having your fans who love your music and respect what you're doing and want to encourage you to continue, who are actually tipping you at the same time. They're giving you something. You get what I mean? So there's a lot there. There's a lot right there. So you guys just need to take advantage of it. And remember to check out my previous videos on mechanical royalties. I got one on performance royalties. I also had the last video that I posted before this on how much I earn from SoundCloud, which is over $10,000 US. So you guys should go and definitely check out that, you know what I mean? Because I want to teach people how to make money, you know what I mean? Not to lose. I want to teach you how to gain. If you guys have any questions at all, you want to ask me any question, feel free to message me in my Instagram at Music Royalties Explain. You can send us an email if you like, and any questions at all, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in another video. You know what I mean? Keep it real, keep doing what you're doing, and guess what? Never leave God out of what you're doing. Put God first and everything else will come after. You know what I mean? That's what I always say. So peace, one love, respect, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.